driving. That reason why I ain't call you. I'm driving. Oh my God. I take the radio out. Reason why, cause about that my speaking is fucked up, and I gotta fix it. That reason why I took it off. Yeah. That reason why I take my radio out on my. Yeah, I'm gonna drive it. Look that way. I'll be driving. It's not even my car. I was driving. Yeah. They drive it slow down for little kids be playing around. Yeah. I want to see if my brother at home. To his girlfriend house. I don't know where my brother at. Missing it this morning. I want to see his car period. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Yeah. That's his car over there. So, I don't know where that bitch at. I don't know what car he be driving. Probably somebody's car. I don't see his girlfriend car. Probably he was behind the girlfriend car.